Interesting facts about ostrich. The ostrich is the largest living bird species in the world, which has a body height of up to 2.5 meters and a weight of 140 kilograms. This bird is native to the savanna and desert parts of northern Africa as well as south of the equatorial forest zone. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. This bird is very easy to recognize from its distinctive appearance, namely a large body, long legs and neck, and a small head. Uniquely, the ostrich cannot fly. This may be due to its body size being too large for a bird. Instead, these animals become very good runners on land. Their running speed can reach 50 kilometers per hour. The ostrich is the fastest runner among other bird species. The ostrich is capable of running at a speed of about 70 kilometers per hour. One step, the ostrich's feet can reach up to 5 meters. The ostrich's wings can be stretched to a length of up to 2 meters. These wings function to change direction when running. In addition, the ostrich's wings are also used to attract the opposite sex when they are about to mate and also regulate body temperature. Ostriches are aggressive when disturbed. The ostrich's foot kick is very strong. However, if threatened, the ostrich will choose to run. In helping the process of digestion of food, the ostrich will swallow the pebbles. An adult ostrich will swallow 1 kilogram of pebbles in its stomach. This sand and gravel will help in grinding the food in the throat. To avoid enemies, the ostrich will lay down on the ground, making it look like a mound from a distance. The ostrich has 3 stomachs. Ostriches also have a unique digestive system because the urine that is excreted will be separated from the feces. The ostrich's eyes are bigger than its brain. That means the animal's eyesight is more important than its brain in sustaining life, such as monitoring the presence of predators. Ostriches will incubate each other socially. Several female ostrich lay eggs in the same nest. The eggs will be incubated by the female ostrich during the day and the male ostrich at night. Ostrich eggs will hatch after being incubated for 35 to 45 days. Alternating incubation between male ostrich and female ostrich aims to protect the eggs from predators. In winter, ostrich will spend time with each other. During the breeding season, ostrich will live in groups and move around. A group of ostrich usually consists of 50 birds. The female's feather color, which is similar to the color of sand, will disguise the nest during the day, while the darker color of the ostrich's feather will not be visible at night. When an ostrich is frightened, its head will be sunk into the ground. But actually, this is still a myth because it has not been proven true. After observing, it is true that there is no evidence to show that the ostrich submerges its head in the ground when feeling scared.